the vise stop, a small, often overlooked component in the grand scheme of machining. Yet it plays a pivotal role in ensuring the accuracy and efficiency of your work. A simple tool, unassuming even, it might not catch your eye at first glance, but its utility is undeniable. Yet in the world of machining, it holds a place of quiet importance. The vise stop is a silent guardian of precision, ensuring that each piece you work on is held firmly and consistently in place. This little device clamped firmly to your milling vise ensures repeatability and precision in your work. It allows you to make multiple cuts with the same setup, saving you time and reducing errors. It becomes your ally in achieving consistent results cut after cut. Imagine the frustration of having to realign your workpiece for every single cut. The vise stop eliminates that hassle, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Today, we delve into the satisfying process of crafting your own vise stop. This journey is not just about creating a tool. It's about understanding the principles of machining and honing your skills. We'll navigate the journey from raw material to a finely tuned tool ready to elevate your machining endeavors. Each step in this process is a learning opportunity, a chance to refine your technique and deepen your knowledge. This is not a project for the faint of heart. It requires a steady hand, a keen eye, and a meticulous approach. But the rewards are well worth the effort. It demands precision, an understanding of your tools, and a healthy dose of patience. Each measurement must be exact. Each cut must be deliberate. There is no room for error, but with careful planning and execution, success is within reach. But fear not, aspiring machinist. With a clear guide and a willingness to learn, crafting your own vise stop is an achievable feat. The process may be challenging, but it is also immensely rewarding. With a clear guide and a willingness to learn, crafting your own vise stop is an achievable feat. Follow along as we break down each step, providing detailed instructions and helpful tips to ensure your success. This hands-on experience will deepen your understanding of machining principles. You'll gain insights into the intricacies of toolmaking and the satisfaction of seeing your hard work come to fruition. And the satisfaction of using a tool you built yourself. It's a feeling like no other. There's a unique pride in knowing that you have the skills and knowledge to create something functional and precise. That's a reward worth striving for. The vise stop you create will not only be a testament to your craftsmanship, but also a valuable addition to your toolkit. So gather your tools, prepare your workspace, and let's embark on this journey of creation together. The path may be challenging, but with determination and attention to detail, you will succeed. From material selection to the final assembly, we'll break down each step, offering tips and insights along the way. Each phase of the process is crucial, and we'll guide you through it all. Let's turn metal into magic, one precise cut at a time. With each careful cut and measured adjustment, you'll transform raw material into a tool of precision and reliability. This is the essence of machining, and it all starts with the humble vise stop. Before we even approach the milling machine, we must address a crucial decision: the material for our vise stop. While various metals could be used, aluminum emerges as a top contender. But why aluminum, you ask? Aluminum possesses a unique combination of desirable traits for this application. Firstly, its machinability is excellent. It cuts cleanly and easily, reducing wear and tear on your tools. This is especially important for beginners still getting accustomed to the nuances of machining. Secondly, aluminum is lightweight. This might seem trivial, but a lighter vise stop puts less stress on your milling vise. This is particularly beneficial if you're working with a smaller vise. And let's not forget affordability. Aluminum is readily available and relatively inexpensive compared to other metals like steel. This makes it a forgiving choice for those inevitable learning curves along the way. So, for its ease of machining, lightweight nature, and affordability, aluminum earns its place as our material of choice for this project. With our aluminum stock selected, we move to the milling machine. Our first task is fundamental yet crucial: squaring the stock. This involves making sure all sides of our aluminum block are flat, smooth, and perpendicular to each other. Why is this so important? Imagine building a house on uneven ground. The entire structure would be compromised. Similarly, any inaccuracies in squaring our stock will cascade through subsequent machining operations, leading to a less than perfect vise stop. We begin by securing the aluminum block to the milling machine's table using clamps or a vise. Ensure it's held firmly to prevent any movement during machining. Using an end mill, we take light passes across each face of the block. The key here is patience. Multiple light cuts are far superior to one heavy cut, which can lead to chatter and inaccuracies. Remember to check for squareness after machining each face. A machinist's square is your friend here. Once all 6 sides are squared and smooth, we have a solid, reliable foundation upon which to build the rest of our vise stop. Section 4. Pocket Perfection, creating the stop's home. Our squared aluminum block is now ready for its transformation. This block, meticulously prepared, is the foundation upon which our vise stop will be built. The precision in this initial step sets the stage for everything that follows. Ensuring the block is perfectly squared and free of any imperfections is crucial. Any deviation at this stage can lead to compounded errors later in the process. The next step involves machining a pocket into the block. This isn't just any pocket, it's a carefully measured and executed cavity that will house the adjustable stop element. The milling machine, with its precise movements, allows us to carve out this pocket with exacting detail. The machinist's skill and the machine's accuracy work in tandem to achieve the desired result. This pocket will serve as the housing for the adjustable stop element, the heart of our vise stop's functionality. Precision is paramount here. The depth, width, and overall dimensions of this pocket must be exact. Any miscalculation can affect the performance of the vise stop, making it either too loose or too tight. The dimensions of the pocket will dictate the fit and function of the stop element. Using calipers, we measure the pocket at various stages to ensure consistency. This step is repeated multiple times to guarantee that every aspect of the pocket meets our stringent standards. Too loose, and you'll have unwanted play, leading to inconsistent results. This can compromise the accuracy of the vise stop, making it unreliable for precise work. Ensuring a snug fit is essential for maintaining the integrity of the tool. Too tight, and you risk damaging the stop element or making it difficult to adjust. A tight fit can cause undue stress on the components, leading to premature wear or even failure. Striking the right balance is key to creating a functional and durable vise stop. Using an end mill of appropriate diameter, we carefully machine the pocket to the desired depth and dimensions. Again, patience is key. The end mill must be handled with care, making sure each pass is deliberate and controlled. This ensures that the pocket is not only accurate but also smooth and free of any burrs or rough edges. It's better to take multiple light passes than to rush and risk errors. Each pass removes a small amount of material, allowing for greater control and precision. This methodical approach minimizes the risk of mistakes and ensures a high-quality finish. Regularly check your progress with calipers to ensure you're staying true to the required dimensions. This constant monitoring helps catch any deviations early, allowing for corrections before they become significant issues. It's a practice that underscores the importance of precision in every step of the process. This step, while methodical, is incredibly satisfying. Seeing the pocket take shape, knowing that each measurement and cut is contributing to the final product, brings a sense of accomplishment. It's a testament to the craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into creating a high-quality vise stop. You're carving out the very essence of the vise stop, creating the space where precision will reside. This pocket is more than just a cavity. It's a critical component that will ensure the vise stop performs its function with accuracy and reliability. Once the pocket is machined to perfection, we can move on to crafting the heart of our tool, the stop element itself. This next phase will build upon the foundation we've established, bringing us one step closer to a fully functional vise stop. Section 5. The heart of the matter, crafting the stop element. In this section, we delve into the intricate process of creating the stop element, a crucial component of our vise stop. This element is what makes contact with the workpiece, ensuring stability and precision during machining operations. The stop element is the business end of our vise stop, the part that actually interfaces with the workpiece. It needs to be robust and reliable, capable of withstanding the pressures and forces exerted during machining. For this, we'll use steel, chosen for its durability and ability to withstand repeated use. Steel is an excellent material for this purpose due to its strength and resistance to wear and tear, making it ideal for components that will see a lot of action. Our steel stock will be transformed into a cylindrical pin with precise dimensions. This transformation is critical as the accuracy of these dimensions will directly impact the performance of the vise stop. This is where our trusty lathe comes into play. The lathe is an indispensable tool in any machine shop, known for its ability to create perfectly cylindrical shapes by spinning the workpiece and removing material with precision. The lathe, with its ability to spin the workpiece while we remove material, is ideal for creating cylindrical shapes. This process, known as turning, allows us to achieve the exact dimensions and surface finish required for the stop element. We begin by securing the steel rod in the lathe's chuck. Ensuring the rod is firmly held in place is crucial for the accuracy of the machining process. Any movement or slippage can result in errors and imperfections. One end of the rod will be machined to fit snugly within the pocket we created in the aluminum block. This precise fit is essential for the stability and functionality of the vise stop, ensuring it holds the workpiece securely. The other end will form the contact surface that interfaces with the workpiece. This surface must be smooth and accurately shaped to provide a reliable and consistent point of contact. This step marks a shift from the milling machine to the lathe, showcasing the versatility required in machining. Each machine has its unique capabilities, and knowing when to use each one is a key skill in the workshop. Each tool has its strengths, and knowing when to employ each is crucial for efficient and precise work. The right tool at the right time can make all the difference in the quality of the final product. With the lathe prepped and the steel rod secured, we're ready to bring our stop element to life. This process requires patience, precision, and a keen eye for detail, as every cut and measurement contributes to the overall functionality of the vise stop.